Prasar Bharati is launching its OTT platform called Waves on the opening ceremony of IFFI, which promises to be a game changer in the world of content, creativity and technology. DD India's Deepika, in an exclusive conversation, had a word with the CEO of Prasar Bharati to understand more about it.
Right now we have with us the Chief Executive Officer of Prasar Bharati. Sir, thank you so much for talking to us. First of all, we would like to know what Waves hold for the audience and why Prasar Bharati has taken up such a noble initiative.
From the very inception, Akashvani and then subsequently Doordarshan, and then when they came together as Prasar Bharati, they have been at the forefront of technological innovation in bringing newer forms of content to the audiences in India. As time has gone by, we have moved from basic radio broadcast to FM radio broadcast to television broadcast, high definition television broadcast, color TV broadcast, free dish. All of these initiatives were all part of the Prasar Bharati, Doordarshan, Akashvani family. And as the audiences have discovered the newer media of consuming content, digital is one medium which has gained quite a lot of prominence in these days and times. So it is only fitting that Prasar Bharati also forays into this domain. And one of the advantages of this would be also that the content would be available to all audiences, even if they are in the remotest parts of the country or even outside the country. There is a lot of demand for Indian content across the board, across the world. The Indian settlers in various countries also remember their times here in India through these programs. And of course, they want to keep updated with the news, with the entertainment of Indian origin. In Waves, in this platform that we are now launching shortly, we will also be making provisions for sharing some of the informative content that is being produced by the ministries of Government of India, by various state governments, and some rare archival material of photographs, of magazines and journals and e-books. We would also be providing facilities for e-games. So, e-shopping, which is also gaining a lot of prominence these days, is also going to be a part of Waves. So there is something for everyone, and I would request the audiences to download Waves later today and be a part of this experience of this entertainment ki nayi leher.
All right, there you heard. So don't forget to download the app and experience this unique opportunity. With camera person Alok, this is Deepika reporting for DD India.